Welcome back to the homestead, everyone. Today we're in the kitchen and we're going to be showing you how to make a super simple fruit jam from these beautiful raspberries without pectin. Stay with us. Well, we have been blessed with an abundance of raspberries this year in the garden, and we just can't eat them all fresh. Yes, we can freeze them and use them for other things, but why not make some beautiful jam? And we don't have any pectin in the house, but that is not a problem because you can make a pectin-less fruit jam with no problem at all. It just takes a little bit of time. So let me show you how to do that. The recipe is super simple. All you're going to need are 4 ingredients. Your berries and or fruit, whichever you're going to use, in this case our raspberries. You're going to need 5 cups of berries or 5 cups of fruit. So we'll also need freshly squeezed lemon juice. You'll need 2 tablespoons. You will need a pinch of salt because salt is a flavor enhancer and you definitely want to enhance those flavors in there, and adding a pinch of salt will do that wonderfully. And of course, you're going to need some sugar. And start off with a 1/2 cup. That's usually what works for us. But as you're going through the process and continuing to taste it, you can add more sugar with no problem. But start with a 1/2 cup. That's what the recipe is. So 5 cups of fruit, 1/2 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and a pinch of salt. Let's get going. Okay, first things first, let's measure out our berries. These were freshly picked today, but I'm actually going to add some in from the refrigerator that we picked the other day, and they're starting to break down a little bit. All right, perfect. We're going to add our 1/2 cup of sugar. We're going to get the heat rolling here a little bit. Going to add our pinch of salt and our lemon juice. From here we are going to take a potato masher and we're just going to start to break that fruit down. This makes the process just go a little bit easier, a little bit quicker, and we can get those juices pushed out of those berries. Obviously with the raspberries it's really easily. Any other type of fruit that you're going to do beyond berries, it's going to be a little bit more of a waiting process for the fruit to break down through heating. So if you're doing a lower pectin fruit, I think a pear may be a lower pectin fruit, correct me if I'm wrong, but a lower pectin fruit, you're going to need to wait for it to cook and break down a little bit. But we're going to put this on medium-high heat. Actually, I just turned it up a little bit, and we are going to get this to a nice simmer, and then we're going to actually a boil, and then we're going to turn it down to a simmer, and we're going to simmer this until we get a nice thickness to it. Now I'll teach you how to check the thickness of this jam with a frozen spoon. So let's get this up to temperature and cooking, like I said, about 20 minutes. But we're going to check it after that. Beautiful. Let's check back once it's cooked. All right, we've cooked down our raspberry jam, and the best way to tell if it's done and set is with a frozen spoon. So we're going to show you that. Just get a little bit on the spoon here, shake it off, and we're going to put our finger through the center of it here. If it doesn't run back into itself or drip away really quickly and fill in the center, then your fruit jam is set. Delicious. Fresh fruit jam, you can't beat it really. This will keep in your refrigerator. We've got a couple of 8-ounce jars here, clean ball jars, and it'll keep in your refrigerator for a few weeks. So eat it up however you eat jam. Put it on ice cream, put it on bread, toast, whatever, and you will be extremely happy We hope you enjoyed this video of this super simple way to make a pectin-free fresh fruit jam. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. We thank you for being here, and we want you here always, so hit that subscribe button. Thanks, have a great day, and we'll see you on all of our other videos. We'll see you next week. Bye.